Hi boys and girls, welcome to Social Studies. This week in Social Studies we're talking about famous Americans. And today we're going to talk about a famous American named Abraham Lincoln who did great things for other people. And you can do great things for others as well. This book is called Abraham Lincoln, A Life of Honesty. And we're going to read part of the book today. Let's read. How many presidents can you name? One president you probably know is Abraham Lincoln. He was the 16th President of the United States. He lived a long time ago, but his ideals of fairness and honesty are still powerful today. Ideals means the things that you live by. So he was a very fair man and a very honest man. He told the truth. Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809 in Kentucky. When he was young, his family traveled westward to the frontiers of Indiana and Illinois. Frontier life was hard. Abraham spent a lot of time doing chores on his family's farm. Now, chores means doing different jobs that needed to be done. Like in this picture, he's cutting wood. He had little time for school. Still, Abraham loved to learn. He would read and write when he wasn't working. Abraham was known for his honesty. Once, when he was working in a store, he walked a long distance just to bring a customer correct change. Now that means when someone gave a certain amount of money and he needed to give money back because they paid a little bit too much, he went a long ways away to make sure they got their money. Another time he measured the wrong amount of tea for a customer. He walked to her house to give her the correct amount. These types of acts earned him the nickname Honest Abe. At that time in the United States, a debate was growing about slavery. White people were keeping black people as property. Black people were forced to work hard for their white owners without pay. Many people thought owning slaves was their right. Others felt all people had the right to be free. Abraham felt slavery was wrong. Of course, it was wrong, boys and girls. That was a terrible thing that happened. And he began to realize that it needed to stop. The debate about slavery was dividing the country. Many people had heard about Abraham's honesty. They looked to him for leadership. They were hopeful he could find a way to bring the country together. Abraham was elected the 16th President of the United States in 1860. 1 month after he became president, the country went to war. Now we're going to stop right there, boys and girls. Tomorrow we're going to find out what happens and if he could help to end that terrible thing called slavery and help to bring the nation together. Thank you for joining me today for Social Studies.